Okay. Hello everyone, my name is Lucia and I'm going to present my project. My group is composed by Victoria Heredia, who is the video producer, designer, and website producer. Raymond Knapp, the writer. Mark Rivaland, who is the researcher. Lea Spack, who is the website producer. And Anais Michel, who is the video producer. First of all, from our point of view, the idea of a green city, the main idea of a green city, is the healthy environment for our citizens and also the well-being of them. We think that if our city doesn't make happy enough or isn't comfortable enough for the citizens, they will just leave the city. That's why we think that it is very important that we have a 100% sustainable, safe, and healthy city so that our citizens are happy in it. Our city is going to focus on sustainable life. We are going to focus on green spaces and the health of our citizens. Also, all our transport is going to be electric and is going to be powered by renewable energies. On the other hand, we are going to have substitutes to plastics so that we don't pollute, which I will explain later. Moving on, these are our main ideas. We have here we have the city main pillars to create the green city. We have followed have shown a bigger interest in well-being, energy performance,
That's okay, keep going.
Energy performance, air quality, eco-innovation, and biodiversity. Moving on to the next slide. I am going to talk about the well-being of the citizens, which involves green spaces, parks, health, and education. First, I'm going to focus on parks and green areas in our city. Having spaces where you can relax and have fun is very important for them. And being able at the same time to connect with nature. That's why we have decided to create lots of parks where people can go with their family and friends to have a picnic or to go to concerts. In addition, we are going to create some restaurants, museums, and shops and sports centers that will be open for our citizens. Secondly, the health of our citizens is the most important for us. That's why we want to create lots of hospitals around our city. These are some prototypes of hospitals we would like to build. This picture shows a big hospital that we would like to put at the center. And in the other photo, we can see a standard hospital. This photo of a hospital could be for teenagers and kids. As they may be in maybe a bad situation or they have to be a lot of time at the hospital, we would like to have rooms just for them so that their time there is more fun, it's funner. Then we would have another big hospital as a nursing home. Another idea is having special rooms too for the older people. Also, our hospitals would have the best technologies so that all the doctors could work successfully. Finally, we are going to talk about our education system. School transport lanes will be improved by having electric buses for school classes. And our school classes will be based on an eco-friendly system, which involves searching children, teaching children how to recycle in good ways. And also, we would do some activities that relate with nature. There will be a subject that is called recycling. And the only website that we would do research is Ecosia. That is a search engine which plants trees whenever you search something. Okay. Also, we would like to have a lot of big libraries so that students can go there and other citizens can go there and study, read a book, and have a good time. Now let's talk about energy performance. Only using renewable energies is a very important thing for a city. All fossil fuel will be eliminated and forbidden. It will be possible, the energy will be possible by using solar panels and wind turbines. Solar energy has got a lot of benefits that I will talk about later. Because as in Spain we have a very good climate, we can use them a lot. And we want to put them in all the houses of our city and in all the public buildings. We will also use hydraulic energy to have electricity. Air quality. For us, it's a really important thing also because we think that having good air quality is very important for a healthy environment. Public transport plans and reforms are going to make a big difference in air quality, of course. Therefore, in the happiness and health of our citizens. Getting into the public transport topic will be improved. And for higher journeys, our citizens will have airplanes, electric airplanes, and also we are planning on making electric boats like the one that we can see in the picture. On the other hand, public transport such as underground trams must be operated sustainably because we need to keep our ecosystem fine. This means that in public transport, we will keep fossil fuels at 0%. Therefore, we will use electronic waybills. And trains will be mostly operated electronically. We also think that recycling is very important for our green city, especially plastic bottles and plastic bags. We have to stop using them or using other things. For example, we can introduce a machine that makes people recycle more. For example, we can we can use what they use in Germany. These machines make people recycle plastic bottles that has been and is very effective because every plastic bottle that a person inserts in the machine turns into 25 cents. So that person brings bottles to recycle them and also get some money for it. Here in Spain, we have a restaurant that is called ALGECIRAS that helps the environment by telling their customers that if they pick up some trash, they would get a free meal. That's what we want to insert in our green city. We want to make people pick up some trash, and we will give them a free meal in all the restaurants of our city. We also think that it's very important to keep our animals and plants good. That's why we want to protect them and take care of them. They won't be abandoned. There won't be any abandoned pets. Now I am going to start talking about the sustainable city. This is our dream of a sustainable city. We also want that the destination zones that we have are very far away from the factories to avoid air pollution and noise, but not too far for the people that work in the factory to go to. That way we'll guarantee the happiness of all our citizens. Finally, this is it. It was amazing to participate in this project and learn a lot of things about sustainability and green cities. Thank you so much. We hope you have enjoyed our presentation. And if there are any questions, please feel free to ask.